Oh, hello there. Well, today we have a new book for you, and let's see. It is Mary Belle, Santa's Polar Pen Pal, and it's by Kayla Hughes, and it's authored by Kayla Hughes and Mike Hughes. And let's see if I can find the right page here. My name is Mary Belle, a simple elf at that. I have no certain strengths or traits, but I'm okay with that. I'll move just a little here for you. Although I like to make others happy, I'm not so much myself. No job at the North Pole's appealing, no job but my calligraphy pen. I worked as a baker, I worked as a maker, I worked as a tinker, I worked as a thinker. I fed all the reindeer, I cleaned all their stalls, and when all was done, I found nothing at all. The other elves find pride in their jobs. I, however, sleep like a log. I don't find much joy in the things that they do, but then I pick up my pen. The ideas fly right through. Santa came in for his checkup, of course. He checks his list, the warehouse of sorts. While testing new jobs, my notebook aside, he saw all my writing, even the dotted I's. He let out a chuckle as he continued to read, proud of my mastery of writing degree. He took my notebook and he showed all. We need to all write like this. This writing is the best. You can see the writing there. My smile was wide, as big as a whale. I promised to teach them in the morning gale. I brought all my pens, paper, and supplies. Even the belugas and bears wanted to give it a try. See them there? The owls offered feathers. The foxes brought some ink. Then we started our activities. The elves and wolves began to sing. Some found it easy, some found it hard. Among them all, Santa rose so tall. You see Santa there? Santa had the skill and the curse of grace, but not the speed needed for this his one-night winter race. For Santa to reach every house, to visit every child's home alike, Santa needed to be swift and as quiet as a mouse. But there were no ideas in sight. I worried and fraught, but then a visitor provided a plan. A bunny of white showed me a stamp. I took up my notebook, pen, and ink. I jotted ideas down for a quick little cheat. I showed Santa this one little small feat. He liked it so much, he set aside his pen in a beat. I'm not that slow at writing. Well, maybe a little. So if you leave Santa cookies, you might see nicely stamped ink. Merry Christmas or thank you, Santa. And to the next house before you can even blink. And that's the end. And then it has some pictures of different books that Santa is in. And if you want to know more about inking and using calligraphy with ink, you might like a book by The Gift of Calligraphy by Mabel Imasa Stukels. And in this book, you'll see how to use the ink pens just like Santa used. The black ink, which I won't open right now, and all the different nibs that you use when you're doing the ink, as you can see in right now. And if you want some other books by Santa, you might want to read one on Santa's reindeer or sighting Santa around the world. And these are all on YouTube, so you can see them for free. Or they're on Amazon too if you want. And this is all about polar pals, and for little kids with pictures of the different animals that you see at the North Pole. And Santa's famous flight. And there's others too. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Bye-bye.